Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. First of all, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Today I'll share with you mushroom pepper fry recipe. It's a very quick, healthy and tasty recipe to serve with rice or roti. Mushroom pepper fry requires simple ingredients only and can be easily prepared. Do not overcook the mushrooms, lightly saute them till soft. Now let's see the ingredients. Clean the mushroom and slice them. Cut the capsicums in long thin pieces. Grated onion, ginger, garlic, pepper powder, salt, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala and cumin powder. Butter. Mix 1 tablespoon corn flour in 2 tablespoons of milk. Heat oil in a pan. Add grated onion, ginger and garlic. Mix the masala very well and saute on to low to medium flame till they start to turn light golden. Now the masala is nicely fried. Add all the dry masala, salt, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder, pepper powder, chili powder. Mix well. Now add capsicum. Mix very well. Saute capsicum on a medium flame. Now add mushrooms. Mix very well and saute mushrooms on a medium flame. First, the mushrooms will release a lot of water. Continue to saute till all the water has evaporated and the mushrooms are almost cooked. Now the mushrooms are almost cooked. Add the corn flour. Mix very well with the mushroom and capsicum mixture. Mushroom pepper fry is ready to serve now. Add butter. If you want, you can add more butter. Mix it well. Serve mushroom pepper fry hot with chapati, roti or with dal and rice.